and people have a challenge. First, I gotta go here and have a timer set for 5, maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. Let's see what I can do in 10 minutes. Start call game. Let's go. We gotta go quick because I only have 10 minutes for this video. Oh, wait. Yeah, last episode, the volume, music, and sound was a bit too loud, so I'll change that as soon as I can in this episode. So, hold on. Here we go, babe. No music. And a bit more sound. Oh, come on, low Bowie. Break or whatever. Oh, come on. The stupid end messed up. Give me a sec. Come on, game load. Come on, game load. Come on, game load. Come on, game load. I have a video to do here and I only have 10 minutes to do it. Can you hear me? Just in case you can, I'll turn the sound a bit down. Here we go, we should be good. Now let's see. What can I accomplish of the obstacle course in the last episode in today's episode? Oh no. So that's what we're gonna do in today's episode. We're gonna find Ale. As soon as I find it. Obstacle course. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Ouch, ouch, ow. At the end of the Golden Gate Bridge lays an obstacle course. For cars only. Because if it was for humans only, it would be way too easy. Okay, I'm stuck. If only there was a tow truck in the game, I could have got towed. Like Maytor. Wait, no. Oh, come on. Seriously, game. Oh my gosh. The stinky course. Wait. Stop. Back up. Here we go. I just saved myself. Oh, come on. Sorry, stupid dad. No! Thank God. Huh? Come on. What? No more that stupid obstacle. It's impossible. If you want to start a YouTube channel, make a video for me if you complete it. Well, try to complete it and I'll watch your video, people. I only have 10 minutes. Resume. So we have 4 minutes left. Why all there be buses? I'll do what I can. Come on. Crashing into the police to have 4 last minutes of fun. Yeah, I know I posted 2 videos today. So what? Don't complain. Oh yeah, that was comedy gold. Except there's more. Well, let's see, it's not coming through here. I gotta go on the Golden Gate Bridge if I want to survive the stinky police chase. One's literally right on my town. Oh yeah, baby. Our goal is to get up onto a building. Yes, my goal is to get on the building. For the last few minutes, that's what we are gonna try and do. I seriously broke the glass. What if Force garaged me? Blame the end. Let's go crazy. Crashing into. Oh. I guess that's gonna be the end of our episode today. We didn't do anything good, but hey, we had all fun. So, yeah. I'll see you in the next episode. We're after our pals the sky. Another stupid ad. They come on constantly. That's a warning if you have this game. I don't even know if you can stop ads. Not even with paying. I have no idea. And if you can with paying, I don't want to lose money just to have no interruptions. I mean, you see, when you do the same, I'm upgrading my boy. I'll make him the color yellow and switch to my Force. Come on! See, constant ads. My original call to end the episode. See ya later.